Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix Bluetooth pairing issues for your earbuds ANKER Liberty 3 Pro. You have to start by check is your Bluetooth is turned on. So go to the settings, Bluetooth, and if it's turned off, just enable it. If you have Android, open control panel and enable Bluetooth here. Now, after that, tap on your device at the device list, and we have connection. If it didn't help you, firstly, we need to perform a soft reset. Put your earbuds to the charging case, and then close the case. Wait about 5 seconds, and then just open the charging case. Your earbuds will reconnect to your phone, and maybe it will fix your problem. If it doesn't, we should remove and add these earbuds. So, click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds at the device list. Then forget this device and forget device. Also, if you have Android, click pair new device after that, and if your earbuds have no more connection, so it do not connect it with another device, you will see it at the device list. But if you cannot see it, at the back side of the charging case we have connectional button. You need to press and hold it for at least 3 seconds. And do not remove your earbuds from the charging case, just press and hold it, and it starts to blinking like right now. I have right here inside the charging case, and you will enter to pairing mode, so you will see it at the device list. Now tap on it, and if you have Android, also click pair. Now, if all of these methods didn't help you, we should perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, put your earbuds to the charging case, then do not close the case, and we need to press and hold at the connectional button at the back side of the charging case. You just press and hold, and then this LED light should flash rapidly 3 times, and then turn off. So, we just wait. Here we go, and now it just turn off, so you can release your finger. And firstly we need to remove it, so information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds, forget, and forget. If you have Android, don't forget to click pair new device, and after a factory reset it will enter to pairing mode automatically, so we don't need to tap, we don't need to press this connectional button, just tap on it at the device list, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!